Okay, so y'all missed my immediate exclamation of excitement here. But anyway, I planted some of the little butts of baby bell peppers, just not expecting them to grow. And look, there are whole ass peppers on here. Oh my god, one fell off, probably because the wind. It's windy as fuck here in Oklahoma. Sorry, I was looking at the peppers and not the camera. But yeah, I'm gonna take this inside, see if I can put it in a bag or something and get it to ripen up a little bit. But I never expected these to grow. And look, there are little peppers on there. Ah, we're gonna have baby bell peppers. I'm so excited. Also, my cats are really excited to be outside, so say hi.